Right, okay. Right, hello once again, YouTubers. I hope you're well. Got a day off of work today. Today is trying to think now. It's Wednesday. Time is 10 o'clock in the morning, just about. I'm gonna pop out and do a little bit of a video today. I was going to go further afield, slightly further afield, and take my big camera with me. But I had a phone call literally about 15 minutes ago. A friend of mine is in a bit of a spot. Wants me to take him up to London. I think it was his daughter-in-law had a baby in the night, so he wants me to go down, pick him up, and kind of run him up there. So I'll be doing that. So the idea was, and I kind of had a video planned, was for me to run out a bit further afield and go and do a video out there. In front of us we have what we call White Horse Hill, Uffington Castle. Yeah, really nice. It's part of the, makes up part of the Berkshire Downs. On the way out the door, I grabbed my Panasonic Lumix, which basically is just like a turn it on, aim and shoot kind of a camera. You get good results from it, to be honest. And I did have it with me just a few days ago whilst I was out in a place where I was going to go to. I saw some deer and I thought, yeah, that's going to be my next video out there, which was going to be now, today. But things have kind of cropped up, which means that I haven't got time to do that. But we're going to go out. That'll be my next video, that one. But we're going to go out to the local woodland and go and see what we can see. I can see a potential, I can see a nice shot across there. Spin the camera around, you might be able to see it yourself. Got the reflection going on, you've got the nice wooden bridge, you've got some anglers at the back. So I'm going to try and capture that with my small Lumix. I'm not sure how it's going to come out, but we'll certainly give it a go. I think with my brother's camera, with his skill, you could probably get a better photo of what I'm about to do, but you know, still in the learning process at the moment. I'm kind of struggling with the new camera. my brother's old one, just because I've not really had time to kind of mess about with it or take it out and do some practice with it. I've been sort of quite busy at work, quite busy at home, so I've just not really had the time to dedicate to the camera. But I'm hoping to get out there at some point fairly soon and take a few shots. Be nice. There's a couple of ducks over there taking advantage of the fishing platform. Not a great photo, but nonetheless it's nice though. Yeah, as a content creator on the old YouTube, it's becoming sort of more and more difficult to try and come up with sort of new videos, especially at the moment, the way things are. So doing stuff like this, just coming around my local park, is probably is all I can do. It's the best I can do until things start to open up a little bit more. Yeah, I would have liked to have popped down and seen Dino actually. He's not here today. He was here yesterday. I believe he was here yesterday. Tuesdays and Thursdays, for those who live in the Swindon area, want to come down see Dino Divine do his woodwork. I thoroughly recommend that. Just wondering the progress of some of the bowls he was making. So I hope to do a video in the coming weeks on that one, on the progression of it, because you know, there's some fantastic stuff out there which he makes. A very, very skilled man. Anyway, on that note, I'm coming towards the end of my little walk for today, and I just want to say thank you for coming along. If you've lasted this long, give yourself a pat on the back and all that. I just want to say thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content which I've sort of made today. I do try my best with the limited time which I have available to make something watchable and interesting and